This guy in the red shirt's probably one too. I'll record him. So there you go, right? So she went inside there. There you go. See? You see that right there? Right? See? Cool. There you go. That's cool, man. So I'm gonna go for I'll go for a walk around the block, and I'll come back, and she'll either be there or the stuff will be gone. I'm gonna stop recording now, to save camera footage and memory on the memory card. There we go. So here I am leaving the premises. I just live like right up there, just around the corner, about 200 feet away, and I'm leaving the premises here. We're gonna see what we get here. He's probably got a gang stalker right here, or like a watcher. Big chance. See right there. She goes on her phone. See if we can get a look here. Yeah. So I'm going to turn the camera glass on, then I'm going to go up here and then around the corner and back in. So this woman here just talked to that woman in the truck, and then the truck just took off. She didn't even get in it, So this guy doing a handstand there. See that? Let's see what they do here. Walk over here. Let's see if she watches here. She's texting right now saying that she saw me. Let's see here. Let's see. She's been told to come out. She's just doing her little hand signals. Yeah. Really capture this here. This is good stuff. Again, I have to turn the camera on and off because I want to save battery time in memory. So I'm gonna ask the lady, the custodian slash manager slash the person that has control of the cameras. I'm gonna ask her who authorized the camera change, like who authorized her to move the camera and why. Why is the camera moved? That's why I want to save memory and video. There she is looking around. Keep playing with her fucking hair. She's sticking her phone up there. Let's watch it. Get a hand signal here. Got a hand signal from the guy in the white truck. Let's watch this. Watch this. Yeah. So she's got her sandals on. She just rushed out here. Eh? She's got her keys in her hand there. She just rushed out here. And yeah, she finally moves on. 100% gang stalker. She had a look there. I don't know if it should show through the trees there. I know what she's doing. I know these people so well. Like, I've been dealing with this stuff for a long time, and they stick out like sore thumbs to me, man. Am I wrong sometimes? Sure I am, but usually not. Usually not. See what she does here. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see, like right when she stops texting, let's see if she looks over at me. Right when she stops texting. That's another sign that it's them. Look. And her hand thing is just constantly doing that. Constantly playing with her hair. Look. Every time cars drive by, she does that. These people are pieces of garbage, man. These are communists, eh? Like real communists. They don't even know. No. So what we get here? She goes off, and so now she's gonna go back in. Yeah. See? Look. Now she's probably been told to go back in. She's like, he's standing behind me. See if we get a look here. Look. Okay. Now she's gone. See that, right? See? Another hand signal, so you can wave at that person there. Yeah, crazy. This guy's probably out here. We got the cops coming now. Why would she stand out here like that, right, and then take off? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't, though. Yeah. See that? Yeah. So there she goes. Yeah. She's going to go back in her house now, and I'm going to show it. Yeah. You got the street theater right here. See? See? This is how they do it, man. Look. This is how they do it. See that? So I'm telling you, you saw when I come up, the lady sitting in the SUV on her phone. As soon as she sees me, she jumps on her phone. I don't know if I recorded that. I start recording. And then this woman comes out and like pretends, like goes up to the van or the SUV and talks to her or says something to her real quick. Here she goes into her house. See? Look, that's, you see how she's going back in the building there? Fuck. You saw that, right? Because she's a gang stalker. Fuck. There she is opening the door. Fuck. Going to the building. So she came out for that reason, eh? Look, I'm telling you, and then you saw the ambulance drive by with perfect timing, right? This guy in the red shirt's probably one too. I'll record him. So there you go, right? So she went inside there. There you go. Look, this guy's one here. See, look, see. See the hand signal?
Nice up today.
Sorry?
It's nice up today.
It is, isn't it? What are you up to? I said, what are you up to?
I'm just,
Are you a gang stalker? Are you like do you just keep an eye on the neighborhood, like kind of like a block watch, or no?
I just got here.
Oh really? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the bus.
Right off.
Yeah. Should I bring my lighter with me? So like I said, these are all watchers, eh? You saw him do his little fucking hand signal there, and there he goes taking off, right? You see this shit? Hey, do you mind if I ask about your tattoo?
Oh, yeah, it's for my grandfather.
Oh, really? What is that? Is that like a Mason thing, or?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, eh?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I look at it? Because my grandpa was in on it too, eh? You see that right there, right? There you go.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. So there you go, right? I mean, if you want to think that's a coincidence, that's fine. My grandpa, right? I mean, we all had grandpas that were in the Masons, right? I guess, right? But this video will be going up, and unfortunately, I didn't record when the woman first came up to the van, or pardon me, I didn't record when the woman first came up to the SUV. But then I saw what was going on there, and she went up, I swear to God, she went up to the SUV, she said like 2 words, backed up, the SUV took off because I knew that woman was a watcher. She passed the baton to the little Chinese girl you saw there. She stood out there, walked around, right? She didn't walk around, she just stood in the same spot, back and forth, doing little hand signals constantly, playing with her hair, constantly drove by, stood there for about 5 minutes, and then just took off and came back up here, and then this guy, he's gone now. And then this guy passed the baton, eh? So there you go. Just going inside right there. There you go. See what I mean? 100% watchers. And I mean, I don't know what else to show you. I mean, if you don't find this suspicious, there's something wrong with you, man. Fuck. There's something wrong with you. Fuck. And that's all there is to it, man. Fuck. I'm being watched. I'm on a watch list. When I could, this guy's probably one here too. Fuck. These guys are definitely it. Fuck. So we're gonna see right now. Yeah, just watch how they look. Watch their looks. Right here. Watch you jump on her phone. Watch. Or she's staring right at me. Let's see, or she's pretending to. That's what they do now, they pretend. Let's see what happens here. Signal there. Fuck. See that? Fuck. She pretended to touch the mask, but it's just a little hand signal. These people are sickos, man. She's still in that pocket there. This is I the best with you. And then it comes out right when she walks past me. Sickos, man. Okay, here comes the helicopter. You see? Fuck. Sure, I recorded this? Yeah, see? See how the helicopter, you saw the ambulance and now the helicopter. Right on that street there. Guy right down here. See what I mean? Right where I was standing, right? They were expecting me to keep standing there exactly where I was standing. It would fly right above my head. And that's the RCMP helicopter. The police helicopter, you see it? Watch it. Hopefully. See that? Right above my head. Fuck. It would have flew right above my head there. You see how these people roll, man? This ain't no joke, man. Fuck. This is what I deal with. Fuck. There you go. It's right in the sun there. I'm trying to block the sun out. So there you go. It would have flown right above my head, right where I was talking to the Mason. Fuck. the Freemason. There you go.